What's up, YouTube? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm back at it again with this FPV system on the Captain America quad. Now, mainly this has been my go-to quad for this FPV system, mainly because for one, it's not a wide lens on the front of it, so it's hard to really judge proximity to see where you are. And this little quad, it's kind of small. It's smaller than most of the rest that I have that it fits, so it makes it a little easier being that it's smaller because of its size. It's easier to navigate around, and secondly, it works pretty well on here with the fast yaw rate and all. So to me, it's the better of the other ones that I have that this FPV system works with. And so I'm out here about to try to have another flight again. Now, I've noticed that it doesn't connect right away all the time. It's sort of finicky. You sometimes got to mess with it, play with it a lot. Sometimes I have to tap on it to get it to work. Now I'm getting a card error. I guess I might have pulled the SD card out of it, but I'm just going to fly it around. Hopefully you guys can see the screen here. Let's go for a quick flight. It's a little windy out here too, so I don't know how well I'm going to do with all this wind. I'm getting a bad signal here. Actually over the fence here. The wind blew me that way. Too high, look like I'm close to the wires. I'm fighting with the wind here. I'm not having my way. Try to turn it around. Whoop. It's a little windy. Low rates. Yeah, see, I'm fighting the wind here. Well, looks like it's time to call it quits with this. Things not working out.